Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today we'll be making crispy fried shallots. It's very easy to make and tastes so much better than those we get from the store. First, I peel 2-pound shallots. Then I slice them using a food processor. Spread the sliced shallots on a kitchen towel or Ziploc bag and sprinkle with cornstarch. I ended up using 1 1/3 cans cornstarch. Shake or mix using a kitchen spoon until well covered. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, and share. As always, thank you for your support. Spread the shallots evenly on a towel and let it dry up a little bit for about half an hour or so. This will make them crispier when fried. Heat up oil in a pan. This is how to test whether the oil is hot enough by using a wooden spoon. See how it sizzles? Then fry our shallots. In the beginning, we can use high heat. When the shallots turn a little yellow and starting to look dry like this, reduce the heat to medium and do not turn your back on it. You need to watch it as it will turn brown really quick. This is how you want your shallots to be, crispy and golden brown. Now you can see the 2 batches that I have. This one is perfect and the other one is too dark. It is when I turn my back doing something else. Because I make a lot, I like to store in batches. You can store in a tight lid container. As for me, I like to vacuum seal some and put in the freezer so I can have readily available fried shallots whenever I need it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.